Hi, I'm Davin. My main role is a production operator. Before Dozuki, we were using a web-based file explorer for the storage of our training documentation. It was good in theory by being able to search for equipment, but if you didn't know the name of the specific problem, then you end up getting a whole bunch of search results and going through a rabbit hole of trying to find the document. Dozuki has allowed us to tackle the problem of creating better training documentation and helping us improve our onboarding process for our new hires. Instead of being overwhelmed with 3 pages of information, we say, here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3. This allows us to be able to figure out, hey, does this employee needs help? Okay, we can give more help to them. We are able to create videos that basically help visually explain a task that used to take pages and pages of Word documents. We are able to update our documents a lot quicker by including operator experiences that we're seeing on the floor. Dozuki has allowed me to find troubleshooting documentation on equipment a lot faster than previously. Dozuki has allowed me to find different ways that we can improve our documentation process and creating new experiences to reduce our waste. Operations have improved. We are able to access documentations a lot faster to help troubleshoot equipment or learn more about our machines. It allows us to keep up-to-date tracking of what's going on, where previously we weren't able to do that.